If naghahanap kayo ng CCTV camera for indoor or outdoors to monitor your dogs, your babies, your families, or just your entire house, then this camera is perfect for you. So this is a sample video of a night mode ng camera. So ayan, klarong-klaro talaga yung motion detection nito is super sensitive. So follow na follow talaga yung mga dogs ko. And I bought this camera specifically para ma-monitor ko yung mga dogs ko. And if not, perfect din to sa mga mommies na who have babies, kailangan nila i-monitor yung mga anak nila, or sa mga stores if you have businesses, and this is also perfect to monitor any kind of motion kasi nga napaka-sensitive ng motion detection nito. And may timestamp na din siya kasama sa taas to know and to identify kung anong time nangyari and anong day siya. Super high quality na din siya kasi naka 1080 na yung megapixel niya and automatic na din yung mga sensors niya, whether it's baby crying, dog, so lahat-lahat talaga maririnig ng camera na to. So it's really perfect to all of the people out there who's looking for camera to monitor their daily lives. So let's take a tour sa camera na to. So all you have to do is after nyo na buy yung camera is you have to download the link of this camera na makikita nyo sa App Store. And ganyan, yan na yung itsura ng camera na magmamonitor sa daily lives ninyo. So you just click on your favorite and then ganyan yung itsura niya sa daytime. So ayan, just recorded yan live na live tayo. Ayan, mazoom niya siya ng super bongga. So, monitor talaga yung mga motion detections ng dog niyo or babies or kung ano pa yan businesses sa labas or sa loob man ng bahay. And you can see there the different functions ng camera. Meron siyang recording. And yan, makaka-capture niyo yung camera. And meron din siyang speaker mode. So, if away kayo and kailangan nyo mag-call sa mga dogs niyo or sa mga babies niyo or anyone na nasa bahay, just press that call and mag-automatic na yung voice niyo sa speaker ng camera. So, ayan, may alarm na din siya kasama and yung tilting functions niya is makokontrol nyo yung camera ninyo. So, just click whatever directions na gusto ninyo, whether left, right, up, or down. But take note is may limit din yung camera. So, hindi nyo siya matitilt ng bonggang-bongga kasi yun na yung pinaka-full limit ng camera. But you can zoom this camera as much as you want. So, yan, klarong-klaro yung face ng mga dogs ko. Diyan. So, yan. Super zoom na yan. And that is the day mode of the camera. Super high quality 1080. Then, dito naman sa playback and download, dito nyo makikita lahat ng mga recordings niyo from that day, from that time. Yan. May calendar siyang kasama. Yung mga blue na yan is yung mga recordings. May SD card na din siyang kasama from 32 to 512 GB. So, you can choose your memory card. Then, dito sa specific functions niya is merong local recording and merong SD storage. So, ayan, you can really surf this one. Just go to the settings. Napakadali lang niya kahit elementary school kid is kayang-kaya itong i-navigate itong app na to. Meron na siyang kasama na different settings. So, kayo nang bahala kung ano yung mga settings na gusto ninyo for your camera. And of course, meron siyang privacy mode. So, if ever na may mga kababalaghan kayong ginagawa dyan, so, ayan, naka-privacy mode. And, ganyan yung makikita sa camera. So, wala siyang makikita kasi naka-private mode. After naman ng private mode is pwede niya ma-exit yung private mode na yan. So, ayan. And it's back again. So, ganun lang kasimple yung mga settings ng camera na to. And of course, you can also share this camera to up to 5 people for different devices. Whether yung mga family nyo is living abroad or someone. So, I have my boyfriend living in New Zealand. So, I share my camera with him. And then, ayan, super dali lang ng mga functions. Kayang-kaya nyo mga functions na yan depending din sa mga needs ninyo. Or depending din kung ano yung gusto nyo for your camera settings. And yes, that's all for today. I hope this video will help you find your perfect CCTV camera to monitor the daily lives of your family, your pets, your businesses, your partners abroad, and just to make sure that they are really safe and yes, just safe and sound whether you are far and miles away from each other. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps.